This question is a probability question as well as a rational expressions question. It says a jar contains 20 yellow marbles, 10 orange marbles, and 15 white marbles. How many additional white marbles must be added to the 45 marbles already in the jar so that the probability of randomly drawing a white marble is 4/7? Okay, so we're told there's 45 marbles in the jar. That's the 20 plus the 10 plus the 15. And we're interested in the probability of drawing a white marble. And we're told that that is 4/7. So we want the probability to be 4/7. And currently we know, so it's got to equal, how many white marbles do we have? We have 15 out of the total, which is 45. Okay, but we're asked how many white marbles need to be added in order to make the ratio, the probability, 4/7. Right now, if we reduce 15 over 45, it would be 1/3. And that would say 4/7 is equal to 1/3, which is not a true statement. So what we're being asked is we're being asked to add a certain amount of white marbles in order to make this ratio equal 4/7. So we're going to add some number of white marbles to our total, so 45 plus x, but we're also adding that same x to the number of white marbles because we're just adding white marbles to both the total and to how many white marbles we currently have. Okay, so now we're set up to solve this. We have a fraction set equal to a fraction. There's a few ways we can approach this, but often when you just have a fraction set equal to a fraction, a proportion, we can cross multiply. So we're saying that 4 times 45 plus x, which would look like this, is equal to 7 times 15 plus x. And now that we have it set up that way, it's a relatively easy algebraic process to solve for x. So we would just distribute the 4 on the left side. 4 times 45, again, use a calculator if you need to, but that's 180 plus 4 times x is 4x is equal to, doing similar on the right side, we're doing 7 times 15, which is 105. Again, calculator's an option. And 7 times x, which is 7x. Okay, we have options for what we can do at this point, but usually it's nice to make the move that makes or keeps your variable positive. So I see my variable's x. I'm going to subtract 4x to both sides to keep my variable positive. Again, that's not necessary, but it is convenient most of the time. So 180 on the left side is equal to 105. 7x minus 4x is 3x. We're trying to solve for x because that's going to tell us how many white marbles we need. So now let's move this 105 by subtracting 105 to both sides. And that makes our left side 180 minus 105, which is 75, and our right side, which is 3 times x. Last thing we need to do to get x by itself would be to divide both sides by 3. And 75 divided by 3 is 25. So we have 25 is equal to x, and we can find that that choice is here in selection C.